It stretches over 100,000 light-years in diameter, housing an estimated 200 billion stars. Yet, how much do we truly know about our home galaxy, the Milky Way? The answer may surprise you. Even in the familiar vastness of our own cosmic neighborhood, there is always more to learn. In fact, the Milky Way continues to unfold secrets that challenge our understanding, as new revelations emerge, bringing us closer to unraveling the mystery of our existence in the grand tapestry of the universe. What was once thought to be well understood is now shrouded in a new light, revealing cosmic phenomena that defy our perception, forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew. It all begins with a fundamental truth: we've been categorizing the Milky Way incorrectly all this time. But that's just the beginning of an astonishing series of discoveries. Astronomers have unveiled a colossal, 16,000 light-year-long structure within our galaxy, an unprecedented feature that has left scientists astounded. But perhaps the most breathtaking discovery lies at the very heart of our galaxy, a gravitational behemoth, the likes of which can only be described as a force that shapes the very fabric of space itself. As a force that continues to evolve, revealing primal cosmic events that are both awe-inspiring and humbling. The mysteries of the Milky Way are far deeper, far more intricate than we could have imagined. Let me ask you this: why is the Milky Way called the Milky Way? To answer that, we must turn back to the ancient Greeks. The name Milky was born from a myth, one that speaks to the stars themselves. According to ancient lore, when we gaze up at the starry night sky, we see nothing less than the spilled breast milk of the goddess Hera, which formed a celestial stream across the heavens. This milky band of light stretching across the sky was thought to be the divine milk that nourished the gods. This myth transcends the boundaries of our galaxy, linking all galaxies with the same symbolic thread of milk. Yet, as we step away from mythology and turn our gaze to science, the truth is far more extraordinary. The so-called milk in the sky is not divine at all. It is instead the product of the cosmic birth of stars, clusters of stars interspersed with immense clouds of gas and dust, light and dark nebulae. What we once thought to be myth is, in fact, the raw material of the universe, woven together in a spectacular cosmic dance. Despite our position in the very heart of the Milky Way, we are confined to observing only a small fraction of its true magnificence. It's impossible to see the Milky Way in its entirety from Earth. Our view is but a sliver, a glimpse of its true grandeur. But astronomers, with their tireless work and boundless curiosity, have painted a picture of our galaxy, piecing together the puzzle one discovery at a time. The Milky Way is classified as a barred spiral galaxy with 5 distinctive spiral arms, 2 of which we can observe with the naked eye. These arms wind their way through the galaxy's core, their graceful arcs stretching across unimaginable distances. The scale of the Milky Way is truly beyond comprehension. Its diameter spans an unfathomable 100,000 light-years, and yet its disk is only about 3,000 light-years thick. The central bulge, however, is an entirely different beast, a region that stretches about 16,000 light-years in thickness. This is the beating heart of the galaxy, where forces far greater than anything we can fathom reside. But despite its size, the core remains hidden from our eyes. We cannot directly observe it, for the dense clouds of gas and dust that fill the center obscure our view. But even in the face of this darkness, we now know with certainty that within this vast expanse, a force of unimaginable power lurks: Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole, its mass more than 4 million times that of our Sun. It is this black hole, sitting at the center of our galaxy, that holds sway over the motion of every star, planet, and nebula within a vast gravitational radius. And what's even more astonishing is the realization that Sagittarius A is not a lone phenomenon. In fact, experts now believe that nearly every galaxy contains such a supermassive black hole at its core, a celestial monster, its gravity so immense that it shapes the very structure of the galaxy itself. But that's not all. The Milky Way is home to an even more mysterious and plentiful force: stellar black holes. These smaller black holes form when stars collapse under their own gravity. Experts estimate that there are perhaps 100 million of these dark remnants scattered throughout the galaxy. These stellar black holes are the silent sentinels of the Milky Way, lurking in the shadows, waiting for the moment when they too will grow to enormous proportions. Now, when we talk about the number of stars in the Milky Way, the estimates are staggering. Some believe that our galaxy contains a mere 100 billion stars, while others suspect the true number could be as high as 400 billion. And if the data from the Kepler mission is anything to go by, it's likely that for every star, there is 1 or 2 planets orbiting it. This means there could be between 100 and 800 billion planetary worlds within our galaxy, each one a potential cradle for life. Not every one of these planets resembles Earth, but some may very well harbor the conditions needed for life to thrive. In fact, in 2022, a team of researchers from Nottingham suggested that as many as 36 advanced civilizations might have developed within our galaxy. The very idea that we might not be alone in the vastness of the Milky Way is enough to stir the soul. But the Milky Way is not a lone island in the cosmic sea. It is part of a much larger and more intricate web of galaxies that spans the universe. Our galaxy belongs to the local group, a collection of around 35 galaxies. This local group is, in turn, part of the Virgo supercluster, a massive collection of galaxies stretching across hundreds of millions of light-years. And until recently, it was thought that the local group was situated within the Laniakea supercluster. But recent data has shattered this belief. The Milky Way, it turns out, does not belong to the Laniakea supercluster at all. Instead, it is part of the much larger Shapley supercluster, a gravitational titan that dwarfs even Laniakea. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of the Milky Way's place in the universe and revealed that our galaxy is being pulled toward the Shapley supercluster by the immense force of gravity. The discovery of the Shapley supercluster's influence on our galaxy is only the beginning. Astronomers have recently uncovered an astonishing new feature at the very edges of the Milky Way's massive magnetic filaments that stretch across 16,000 light-years. These filaments, rising far above and below the galactic plane, are not just the result of cosmic processes. They are the remnants of violent events, perhaps the result of a series of supernova explosions that occurred in the outer regions of the galaxy. These stellar explosions are powerful enough to eject material at speeds of up to 1,000 km/s, creating galactic winds that stretch far beyond the confines of the galaxy. The Milky Way is not just a collection of stars. It is a cosmic battleground, a place where forces clash and collide, shaping the galaxy into the form we see today. At the very heart of the Milky Way lies Sagittarius A, our supermassive black hole. While it may no longer be an active quasar, capable of outshining the entire galaxy, it still holds immense power. Recent data from the Event Horizon Telescope (EHT) has revealed that Sagittarius A is rotating at an extraordinary speed. But what is even more astonishing is that this rotation is tilted against the plane of the galaxy itself. This tilt defies everything we know about black holes, and it raises a critical question: why is it behaving this way? Researchers have theorized that the answer lies in a cosmic collision that took place billions of years ago. Sagittarius A may have merged with another massive black hole, one that came from a smaller galaxy that collided with the Milky Way. This collision, which occurred approximately 10 billion years ago, would have altered the rotation of Sagittarius A, setting it on a new, tilted path. The data collected from the EHT suggests that this merger was a cataclysmic event that reshaped the very structure of the Milky Way itself. As we uncover more about the past of our galaxy, we gain insight into the future of our universe. The merger of these two supermassive black holes is still a theory, but experts are hopeful that future gravitational wave detectors will confirm this cosmic dance. The Laser Interferometer Space Antenna LISA is on the cutting edge of this research, and one day it may allow us to observe the collision of black holes directly, an event that will forever change our understanding of the universe. As we peer into the depths of the Milky Way, we are reminded of how small we are in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Our galaxy is not a static entity, it is a dynamic, ever-evolving system, driven by forces that are both beautiful and terrifying. And as we continue to uncover the secrets of the Milky Way, we realize that the journey has only just begun. The mysteries of the universe are far deeper than we can imagine, and it is up to us to continue exploring, to continue seeking, and to continue uncovering the awe-inspiring wonders that lie in the stars. Press the like and subscribe buttons now, so you never miss another mind-blowing discovery. We'll see you soon.